Everybody else thinks it's cool because it's free, but there's not that much free stuff where we take it. Awesome. If you were interested
Welcome.
in Art on the Mart, it's 7:30.
I suppose this is like a diary entry for the week. It's really easy to miss the value of a moment while you're in it. It's like you can only appreciate it from behind the glass of the past or even the future. So it's either, that was such a cool experience, or that's going to be so great or so fun. So I'm holding myself accountable still to continue living in the now, which is right now, right here, right now. Here we are. You're gonna see, if we start hanging out, you're gonna see that I have this camera with me a lot.
Okay.
All right, we can cry. Documenting my life does seem to help me, but I only hope that I take in my surroundings even when I'm not carrying around one of my cameras. To be aware is to be alive, as a Metra train conductor recently put it. I don't know if he was quoting someone, and I forgot to look it up. But I like it.
I don't think so. Oh, wait, never mind. So I got like a small that looks giant. And then over here. If you remember, I already have a hot dog.
Regular diet, cup of water.
And I already have buffalo. Monster Mania, they stretch. There are like 3 eyeballs.
Yeah, why?
Because everybody wanted it.
Okay, maybe not this section, although they do have King's Ransom.
No, I think that if we did it, we should get a toe ring.
Oh, and they're only 25 cents. Old. Let's see it. Oh!
It's the poop of oh no!
Little frogs and a little bear and heart.
I love the kitty.
Sometimes in the middle of the late nights and the adventures, you need a mundane Wednesday. Working from home, I have Simon on my bed. A peaceful Wednesday. Okay, maybe TMI, I got a blood test this morning. And, well, I was supposed to get a routine blood test this morning. And usually they do have a hard time finding my veins. But I drank a lot of water. The nurse or whoever literally gave up. So now I have to go back. She gave up. She said, I can't draw your blood. She said, drink more water next time. I did drink water. Anyway. This is Simon. for anyone new. He's had a rough 24 hours. He kind of injured his paw at the beach yesterday. He's being a little dramatic, but I think he's feeling better now. Can you be a little bit more respectful of the camera? Simon is a rescue from Alabama. And now he lives all the way here in Chicago, providing either peace or chaos to us all. I don't like how early the sun is setting. What's on the agenda today, Simon? We do need dog food. So, we'll probably go to Whole Foods. See you there. Here we are at Whole Foods. I'm with my brother.
I don't like that face I made.
Make a different face. I'm gonna keep them all in. Let's look at the chocolate first. Chocolate is expensive nowadays. My dad likes these, so we're gonna get him one. I would never want to work at Whole Foods because it would ruin the magic. He does like that one.
He does. He do.
People are going to be like, don't feed your dog that. He only has a little bit.
Hey, why would they say not to feed your dog that?
I don't know.
Is there something wrong with it? There's something I don't know.
Okay, on to the next adventure. I wonder what that will be.
Surely there is no land on earth more magnificent and wild than Alaska, and no way more civilized to see it than aboard the ships of Holland America, the world's best cruise line.
I thought it said omelet.
Yeah, me too. I was just about to say that.
I thought that said omelet. There are a lot of things I want to hurry. I want life to go faster in some ways, but I also want it to slow down. And I'm also viewing it through a timeline that I constructed, influenced by my own maybe narrow and blinded beliefs, or what society has made me believe. But who am I to believe that this map is even correct? I'm no cartographer of the future. Okay, that's got to be a quote too. I didn't make that up.
Go over real quick over there to those weird gift shops because those are fun. And
Okay.
you might be able
Oh,
to find
yeah,
some
yeah.
fun stuff. Like this one's okay. We can go in here. You want to go in?
Okay.
Like this one could be faster.
Okay, we'll do that one. And I don't want to do this one.
Like the tree house.
That's so cool. Mango White Rabbit, yum.
If you know me, you know I like wasabi. They were. You get to pick a mystery box. I got my mystery gift wrapped up very tightly. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to open this. We're gonna fast forward this. I love coasters. And I love pigs. Is that a pig?
Yes. It's perfect.
Couldn't be more perfect for me.
Mine has groceries on it. I got it because it had like, yeah. Whoa! What is it? It's a cup.
You love cups.
I love cups. It couldn't be more perfect.
Aw, Simon can't come.
They're building a claw arcade, a claw machine arcade here.
Oh, I love that panda over there.
Yeah.
These are beautiful.
It's $2.99.
I love mommy's there too.
Hi.
So much candy.
Yo, these are cool. They're like iridescent.
These are very, very pretty. He's just kissing that thing. Oh no, he's blowing a bubble. Oh, sweet. Sometimes I believe worrying is the opposite of complacency, or that gratitude negates actually putting in any work. But there's got to be a balance somewhere between. A balance between being content and also moving forward. I don't have the answers.
I also have that weird thing where I don't like to see little tiny holes.
Oh yeah.
That freaks me out. so fucking smart.
I'm the wisest. I'm the oldest and the wisest.
You're the oldest by a month. You're oldest by a year, 2 months, Caroline. A year, 2 months. And I'm a triple tourist, so I can.
All right, what ocean liner burned and sank in Hong Kong Harbor?
Oh, the Britannia.
No.
Oh, shit.
I don't know.
Okay.
So here's to the last nice days of summer and the now days of my 30s. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. This is CQ. Peace out.